Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanic. Super cool, very helpful video for any of you having a Porsche Cayenne first generation from year 2002 to 2010. Guys, if you want to see how to add coolant, if you get a message on the dash such as coolant level low or anything low or anything like that, you need to add coolant, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. Never do that on a hot engine, because if you open the coolant reservoir when the engine is hot, that hot coolant will come under pressure, it can spray, severely burn you, it can send you in the hospital and scar you forever. So make sure the engine is cool, let it sit overnight. What do we need to do? Let me get, guys, the camera, I want to show you. First thing, you need to open the hood, so you need to come inside the vehicle, and there is a handle on the left side, right here. Go ahead and pull it, guys. When you do that, okay, you're going to come here and release the hood. How you release the hood? You see that thing here, you just press on it and lift up the hood at the same time. Now facing the engine, guys, check it out. By the way, on that Porsche Cayenne we have more than probably 300 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check them out, they will be on our YouTube channels. Our mission is to save as much money as we can. Use only Porsche approved coolant. We'll put links in the description of the video below where you can get it from. On the passenger side, facing the engine on the left side, you see that symbol? That's the coolant symbol. Pull that thing like that and slide it out. Now here, make sure the engine is completely cold. That cap could be quite tight. By the way, that coolant reservoir is a weak spot and it starts leaking on that Porsche Cayenne. We replaced ours. If you want to see the video how to do that, we'll have video on the channel. Go ahead, open it. You see inside now it says minimum and maximum. When the coolant covers the minimum, that's the minimum. When it covers the maximum, you stop right there. Don't overfill it. You can cause damage to the system. What we guys need to do now, open the coolant reservoir, the coolant jug right here, and we'll just slowly start adding. Hopefully we don't make a mess. So let me see now. Okay, I got it the first try without making any mess. This is the premix one, 50-50. So we don't need to dilute or anything like that. So we keep adding. We haven't added for a couple of years, so probably it's quite low, because eventually it evaporates. I might pass the minimum mark, I'm reaching the maximum now. Okay, and at maximum we're going to stop, guys. Okay, right there, we got right to the maximum. Probably we got a little bit over than half a liter or about half a quart of coolant. Now when you are ready, don't forget to close it before you start the engine, otherwise coolant will start flowing everywhere. You can overheat the engine and practically destroy it. And after that, okay, after it's tight, install your trim piece. Okay, next, make sure you close the hood all the way. And that's the whole video. Please, guys, subscribe. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Help us grow that channel together so we can help more people save money. That's our goal, guys, to save as much money as we can. Thank you for watching. See you next time.